Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Math Easy. This is the first video on circles. दोस्तों अगर आप इस वीडियो अभी देख रहे हैं then please keep a pen and a notebook in front of you so that you can keep notes of the important topics that will be discussed in this video. I am very sure that ये notes आपको आगे बहुत help करेगा. जब भी आप इस चैप्टर को रिविजन करना चाहेंगे आपको टेक्स्ट बुक का कोई भी ज़रूरत नहीं पड़ेगा. यू विल बी एबल टू रिवाइज दिस टॉपिक विद द हेल्प ऑफ दिस नोट एंड इसमें आपको बहुत टाइम भी सेव होगा. सो गाइज लेट्स स्टार्ट टुडेज डिस्कशन. नाउ सर्कल है क्या चीज़? इसका आकृति तो हम बचपन से ही जानते हैं पर इसका डेफिनेशन क्या है? देखो, अ राउंड प्लेन फिगर, a round plane figure whose boundary consists of points equidistant from a fixed point. ठीक है, so from the definition you can make out that इसका मतलब क्या है. Now from a fixed point, ये जो fixed point लिखा है, ये जो fixed point लिखा है, this fixed point is nothing but the center of the circle. ये जो fixed point है, this is nothing but the center of the circle. Now if I draw a circle, let us suppose that this is a circle, okay, and this is the center O. Now, on the boundary of this circle, if I take any point, on the boundary of this circle, this point, the distance between this point and the center O will be same throughout this circle. ये दोनों point हमेशा equidistant होगा. This point P can be any point on the boundary of this circle, but the distance will be the same. Now, circle का definition में सबसे important point ये है कि the distance between the center and any point on the circle will be the same. And ये जो distance है, this distance is called the radius. The radius of the circle. And for a specific circle, the center and the radius always remain constant. Okay. Have a look. So we basically identify a circle with the help of the center and the radius. You can note down. Now हम deal करेंगे some cases को लेकर. We will deal with some cases. Now first of all I am drawing a circle and the center is O. Okay, and ये एक straight line है PQ. Assume करते हैं that PQ is a straight line. Now ये जो straight line PQ है ये इस circle के बाहर में है. This PQ is outside this circle and very clearly this PQ does not touch this circle or intersect this circle. ठीक है. So PQ, we can say that PQ is a non-intersecting line of this circle. बहुत ही सिंपल बात है. हम बहुत अच्छे से समझ रहे हैं कि PQ does not touch this circle or intersect this circle. So as the name suggests, PQ is a non-intersecting line of this circle. Now हम PQ का ये जो place है, we change the place of PQ. ठीक है, we shift the place of PQ. Now हम PQ का place change करते हैं. So this is the circle with center O and let us assume that PQ is this line. यहाँ पर है. This is P, this is Q. Now ये जो PQ है, this intersect the circle at these two points. Assume करते हैं कि ये है M and ये है N. ठीक है. So this PQ intersect the circle at two points M and N. At this moment हम PQ का नाम देंगे सेकेंड. सो सेकेंड का डेफिनेशन यही है. सेकेंड क्या है? अ लाइन इज कॉल्ड द सेकेंड ऑफ द सर्कल इफ इट इंटरसेक्ट्स द सर्कल एट टू पॉइंट्स. देखो क्लियरली PQ is intersecting this circle at 2 points M and N. So I can call that PQ is the second of this circle, isn't it? Now note one thing that there is a difference between PQ and MN. ये जो PQ है, this PQ, these 2 points P and Q are outside this circle and this straight line intersects this circle at 2 points and cuts through this circle. So this PQ is called the secant of this circle. This PQ is called the secant of this circle. But this MN, ये जो MN है, this MN is fully entirely inside the circle. MN is entirely inside the circle. So MN is called the chord of the circle. ठीक है, ये डिफरेंस अच्छे से समझो. Secant and chord. PQ is entirely outside. PQ cuts the circle. PQ cuts through this circle at 2 points M and N. But these 2 points P and Q are outside the circle. So PQ is the secant of the circle. But ये जो MN है, this MN, if I just rub these two, देखो ये जो MN है, this MN is entirely inside this circle. So MN is the chord. MN is called the chord of the circle. Now we will again change the position of PQ. So this is a circle with center O. Assume that the line PQ is here. This is PQ such that this PQ touches the circle at one point S. Assume kar lo. Okay. So here in this case PQ touches this circle at one point S. In this situation we will say that PQ is the tangent of this circle. PQ is the tangent of this circle. So when this straight line touches the circle at only one point, then we will say that this straight line is the tangent of the circle and S is the point of contact. S is called the point of contact. क्योंकि देखो S है the point which is the point of contact of this circle and this tangent. So PQ is called the tangent and S is called the point of contact. So please note it down. So tangent का definition देखो. A line touching a circle only in one point is called a tangent of the circle. So till now what have we learned? We have learned the term tangent, we have learned the term secant, we have learned the term secant, we have learned the term chord. ठीक है. So till now हमने tangent के बारे में जाना, हमने secant के बारे में जाना and हमने chord के बारे में जाना. And I think it is very clear that what are the differences between these three. Tangent क्या है? A line touching a circle in only one point. So tangent only touches the circle at one point. So this is the tangent. When we talk about secant, what is secant? The secant intersects the circle at 2 points. Secant intersects the circle at 2 points. And chord क्या है? Chord is entirely inside the circle. Chord is entirely inside the circle. ठीक है? Now ये जो tangent है, इस tangent का कुछ properties है. ठीक है? इस tangent का 2 properties है. What are the properties? So tangent का 2 properties है. The first property is that tangent is perpendicular to the radius. ठीक है? Tangent is perpendicular to the radius. इसका मतलब क्या है? Suppose I am drawing a circle with center से O. Okay, and assume कर लो कि PQ is a tangent of this circle such that S is my point of contact. ठीक है? So S is the point of contact, PQ is the tangent, and this is the circle with center O. So OS is basically the radius, isn't it? OS is basically the radius and PQ is my tangent. Now ये जो OS radius है, this radius will be perpendicular to this tangent PQ. This is the property. This is the property. Then this radius, the radius formed by this center and the point of contact will be perpendicular to the tangent of the circle. So this is the property. Prove हम बाद में देखेंगे. So second property क्या है? सेकेंड प्रॉपर्टी ये है कि लेंथ ऑफ tangents drawn from an external point to a circle are equal. So this is the second property. Second property क्या है? Length of tangents drawn from an external point to a circle are equal. इसका मतलब क्या है? देखो. So second property का मतलब क्या है? देखो ये जो external point है, assume कर लो कि we are drawing a circle. We are drawing a circle with center O and assume that this external point is some P here. ठीक है? P is an external point. Now from this external point we want to draw two tangents on this circle. ठीक है? So we are drawing it. So we are drawing two tangents from this external point P on this circle with center O. ठीक है? So assume कर लो कि these two are the tangents drawn from P on this circle with center O, and this M is the point of contact of this tangent and N is the point of contact of this tangent. ठीक है? Now according to this property क्या है? Length of tangents drawn from an external point to a circle are equal. So according to this property, PM is equals to PN. So the property basically states that PM is equals to PN. From an external point P, if I draw two tangents, then the length of these two tangents will be equal. ठीक है? Note it down. Now इस प्रॉपर्टी को हम प्रूव कर सकते हैं. We can prove this property with the help of congruency. ठीक है? So proof देखते हैं. So this is our figure. ठीक है? RTP क्या है? RTP क्या है? RTP है PM is equals to PN. ठीक है? P है external point, M and N are the points of contact, and PM and PN are the tangents. We have to prove that PM is equals to PN. Now for proving this, we will need some constructions. So what are the constructions? Constructions ये है कि we will join OM, we will join ON and we will join OP. ठीक है? So constructions क्या है? OM, ON and OP are joined. ठीक है? ON and OP are joined. Now come to the proof. Directly let us come to the proof. Now what was the first property of tangents? पहला प्रॉपर्टी क्या था कि tangent is perpendicular to the radius. ठीक है? So if we apply the first property here, what will we get? We can say OM is perpendicular to PM. है ना? OM is perpendicular to PN. क्योंकि देखो OM is the radius, PM is the tangent. Similarly ON is the radius, PN is the tangent. So we can say OM is perpendicular to PM. Similarly, we can say ON is perpendicular to PN. है ना? Clear है ये बात? Now look here. In triangle PMO and triangle PNO. So in triangle PMO and in triangle PNO, we are writing देखो angle PMO is equals to angle PNO is equals to 90 degree. ठीक है? ये तो प्रॉपर्टी है, प्रॉपर्टी ऑफ टेंजेंट्स का फर्स्ट प्रॉपर्टी. OP is common. OP is common and OM is equals to ON. ये रेडियस है ठीक है। OP जो है ये हाइपोटेन्यूज है, सो वी कैन से ट्राइंगल PMO इज कॉन्ग्रुएंट टू ट्राइंगल PNO, इजंट इट? क्या हम बोल सकते हैं? वी कैन से ट्राइंगल PMO इज कॉन्ग्रुएंट टू ट्राइंगल PNO बाय RHS। सो वी कैन से, क्या बोल सकते हैं हम? PM इज इक्वल्स टू PN बाय CPCT। देखो प्रूव हो गया, कंप्लीट हो गया प्रूफ। प्लीज नोट इट डाउन एवरीवन, प्लीज नोट इट डाउन। नाउ लुक एट दिस प्रॉब्लम। What is the length of the tangent drawn from a point whose distance from the center of the circle is 20 centimeter and radius is 16 centimeter? आपके पास ये चार ऑप्शंस है। ऑप्शन ए 12 सेंटीमीटर, ऑप्शन बी 144 सेंटीमीटर, ऑप्शन सी 169 सेंटीमीटर एंड ऑप्शन डी 25 सेंटीमीटर। सो जल्दी जल्दी ये प्रॉब्लम ट्राई कर लीजिए। जस्ट पॉज द वीडियो एंड ट्राई इट आउट एवरीवन। अगर आपने ट्राई कर लिया तो आपको आंसर आना चाहिए 12 सेंटीमीटर। देखो गिवन क्या है, हमको लेंथ ऑफ द टेंजेंट निकालना है ड्रॉन फ्रॉम अ पॉइंट। ये पॉइंट है P, एक्सटर्नल पॉइंट है P, whose distance from the center of the circle is 20 centimeter. So it is given that OP is 20 centimeter, ठीक है। रेडियस का वैल्यू V गिवन है, so OM is 16 सेंटीमीटर। बाय प्रॉपर्टी हम बोल सकते हैं कि ये है 90 डिग्री। ये पिथागोरस अप्लाई इक्वेशन में बस वैल्यू प्लेस कर दो। OM का वैल्यू है 16 स्क्वायर, OM स्क्वायर प्लस PM निकालना है। OP का वैल्यू गिवन है 20, सो 20 स्क्वायर, PM स्क्वायर क्या निकला? 20 स्क्वायर माइनस 16 स्क्वायर, ठीक है, विच इज 400 माइनस 256 which is 144. So PM equals to 12 सेंटीमीटर। ये आंसर है, ऑप्शन ए आपको मैच करेगा, ठीक है। सो इन द नेक्स्ट वीडियो हम बाकी टॉपिक्स इन सर्कल्स में डिस्कस करेंगे, ठीक है। सो प्लीज़ सब्सक्राइब माई चैनल for further notifications, and if you like this video, if this video is beneficial to you, then please do not forget to comment below.